Your customers are asking for an app, and your competitors already have one. Everyone on the team agrees it would be a great move, but the scope of the project means it keeps getting put off. You're looking at a year of development time, $250,000 or more, and something no team wants to do if they can help it, adding headcount by hiring developers. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. It's going to show you how you can build a mobile app for your e-commerce brand without sacrificing quality, and importantly, without hiring and managing a team of developers. Because it's not that developers aren't great people and fun to be around, but you're an e-commerce brand. Your focus should be on e-commerce, not software. The traditional way to do a mobile app is broken. It's not just about upfront cost. If you can spend 6 figures on an amazing app, which you'd never have to touch again, you might be able to make the case for it. But where it really hurts you is its ongoing cost. Because keeping an app running is a full-time job. It's multiple full-time jobs, in fact. That's where the development team comes in. When you build an app, you're getting a new software product to maintain. Bug fixes, OS updates, deprecated APIs, new features, and promos, that merchandising updates. The work goes on, and you need people to take care of that, or the problems with your app will grow and grow until it's no longer usable. And with people comes salaries, management, and organizational complexity. It's a big bet to make on your app, and a bigger bar to clear before it actually starts adding value to your business. Here's the biggest thing to recognize. A lot of this work, this complexity, is mostly just rebuilding things that already work on your website. You spent years perfecting your online presence, your website works great, and it works on mobile too. Having an app development team to build a brand new surface separate from your website is 90% redundant work. Why would you build brand new product pages, collection pages, and checkout flow when your website already does this? When you realize that you don't need to start from zero, the picture starts to change dramatically. And you realize that launching an app doesn't mean turning your e-commerce brand into a software business. MobiLoud turns your existing e-commerce website into custom native apps for iOS and Android. It gives you the same end result you can hire a team of 5 or 6 people to do, significantly faster with a fraction of the cost. MobiLoud builds you a custom app on top of your existing tech stack. It inherits everything you've already built, and you manage it through your existing web platform, whether it's Shopify, Magento, Salesforce Commerce Cloud, or any other backend. You ship a custom, unique experience for your app, but the tech powering it is the same as what you already run. This means that you don't have a separate system to maintain. You don't have to do the same work twice. You're not spending time on redundant duplicate work, and importantly, you're not hiring a new team to run it. MobiLoud's team handles all of the app-specific maintenance, OS updates, app-specific technicalities, and your existing team handles the content and UX. It cuts down the work and the risk of launching an app by degrees of magnitude. This is the same approach used by global brands such as Jack & Jones and many more. For these brands on complex enterprise e-commerce platforms, launching a custom app would usually be prohibitively expensive and time-consuming. One founder quoted a native app as $500,000 to $1 million a year to maintain. MobiLoud lets you go live in a matter of weeks and get a custom native app that doesn't need a new team to run. Hiring developers to build and manage your mobile app was always overkill. It's a circular route to take to get a channel that should be consistent with what you deliver on your website, but around 10% better. You've done the hard work already. You should build on top of that, not alongside it. Hiring a whole team to build and manage your app turns your brand into a software company. You're investing more into maintaining technology than selling products. That's not what your business is about. An app is just another channel for your customers to buy from you. And it should be treated like every other channel you run, low overhead, and measured on revenue. MobiLoud is the better way to build a custom mobile app for your e-commerce store, and with an expert team to support you. If you want to see what's possible for your e-commerce app, head over to MobiLoud.com and get a free demo to walk you through the process and the business case for launching your mobile app.